How to sign up for Google Workspace. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for Google Workspace. The first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Google application. Then the next step is to go to the search bar and simply search for Google Workspace and hit enter. And click on the first link you see, workspace.google.com. Now click on Get Started. Here, you're going to have to continue with your account, or if you are new, you're going to have to create a new one. So if I click on Update this account, I'm going to have an option to upgrade it. But if you're completely new, just click on Create a New Account. Enter your business name. So let's just add something like this. Then enter the number of employees. So for example, 229. Select country and region, and then tap on Next. Now give your contact info like your first name, last name, and your current email address. Click on Next. And if you already have a domain, you can set up your existing domain, or you can just get a new custom domain for your site. Now search for domain names if they are available or not. Tap on it and it will show you the prices. So go ahead and tap on Next. Then enter your business information like the street address, second address line, your city, postal code, and your phone number. After clicking on Next, you will just have to verify these options, and then you should be able to create a new account along with your domain name that you can purchase. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.